Yeah. So in the last class, we just discussed about what is differentiation and how we'll differentiate an algebraic functions. There we discussed that we are talking about a function. Function is nothing but the relation between variables. Like if you're writing y is equal to f of x, over here x is a variable and y is a variable, where x is known as nothing but a free variable or dependent variable, and y is a dependent variable, and x is known as independent variable. Then we discussed that like in a function, if we are changing the value of x by a very small value, which is represented by dx, known as differentiation of x, then the value of y will also change by a factor represented by dy, just on a small change in value of y, just on as differentiation of y. And our aim is to find out what about differentiation of y with respect to x, that is represented by dy by dx. Where dy by dx is known as differentiation of y with respect to x. Then we discuss how to find out the value of dy by dx for an algebraic functions. There we'll change the value of x to x plus dx. Then the value of y is going to change from y to y plus dy. Then we can find out the value of dy by dx. Now we discussed that if it is something like if we are having a term like dx raised to 2, dx raised to 3, etc., then we'll neglect that terms. Now we'll discuss, like for an example, suppose if it is given that y is equal to x raised to 5, and our aim is to find out what about the value of dy by dx. So if you are going for a normal method, then first we should write, instead of x, we should write it as x plus dx. So it becomes x plus dx raised to 5. And instead of y, we should write it as y plus dy. So over here, for the calculation purpose, we need to expand this x plus dx raised to 5. So this may be a lengthy calculation. So in this type of situations, to solve the or to find out the value of dy by dx, we'll use a shortcut equation for this. And by using this equation, we can find out what about the value of dy by dx directly. Okay. So we'll discuss about how to find out the value for this dy by dx directly by using an equation. So that is applicable for any type of algebraic functions. So you can just write the heading differentiation of
product rule, right?
no, differentiation of algebraic functions. Differentiation of algebraic functions.
So can you tell the types of functions again?
Yeah, we are going to explain each and every functions in detail. Okay. So first, algebraic functions means nothing but a function in the form of y is equal to x raised to n, where y is a variable and x is a variable, x raised to n. That means it can be something like y is equal to x square, y is equal to x cube, y is equal to x raised to 3 plus 2x, etc. So if it is x raised to something, that is not something but an algebraic functions. So as an example, we are just writing y is equal to x raised to n. So if it is in the form of y is equal to x raised to n, then we can find out the value of differentiation of y by using this equation. Differentiation of y is equal to nothing but n into x raised to n minus 1 into dx. This one is the equation for differentiation of y. इसका जो पार है वो n था, तो this n into x raised to n minus 1 into dx. dx means differentiation of x. Now, if you'd like to find out the value of dy by dx, then we need to write dy by dx is equal to, ये जो dx है उसको नीचे लेगा है, it is n into x raised to n minus 1. So if it is dy by dx, you can write the equation as n into x raised to n minus 1. तो by using this equation, a formula use करके हम लोग directly जो भी x raised to n का term का function है उसका differentiation लिख सकता है. Any doubt related to this?
What is the equation's name?
This is basic differentiation equation for algebraic functions. जो भी algebraic functions रहेगा उसका differentiation कैसे करना है उसके लिए equation. बोलो बेटा.
Sir, n should be greater than 1.
No, it can be less than 1 also. N can be any value. 1 भी हो सकता है, 0 भी हो सकता है, infinity भी हो सकता है, minus infinity हो सकता है, -1/2 हो सकता है. It can have any value. All such functions are known as nothing but an algebraic functions. N should be a constant. Yes. It can be a positive value or a negative value. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So just write down this equation. If y is equal to x raised to n, then differentiation of y, dy is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1 into dx. Or if you like to find out the value of dy by dx, it is n into x raised to n minus 1. Now if it is लिख दिया?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now if it is any type of algebraic functions, we can use only this equation to find out the value of their differentiation. So we'll take many example. So you can write it as a question, write down. And question, if it is given that if y is equal to x square, if y is equal to x square, find out the value of dy by dx. If y is equal to x square, find out the value of dy by dx.
2x.
Yeah. अभी हम लोग डायरेक्टली
2x.
इक्वेशन यूज करके हम लोग डायरेक्टली इक्वेशन यूज करके फाइंड आउट कर रहा. ठीक है. सो क्या लिखना है? y is equal to x raised to 2. our जनरल फॉर्मूला था y is equal to x raised to n. सो इधर n का जगह पे क्या हो गया? 2 हो गया. एंड इक्वेशन क्या था?
2x.
डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ y is n into x raised to n minus 1 into dx. So by using this equation, you can write dy, differentiation of y is equal to n का जगह पे 2 था, तो it is 2 into x raised to 2 minus 1 into dx. Got it? So we can write this dy is equal to 2 into x raised to 2 minus 1 is 1 into dx. Or you can write dy is equal to 2 into x raised to 1 is nothing but x. So 2x into dx. Or if you like to find out the value of dy by dx, we can write just dx on denominator.
2x.
dy by dx will be equal to 2x. So this will be the final answer. Any doubt? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So try to find out the answer for next question. Y is equal to x raised to 3. Find out the value of dy by
3x to n.
dx. Yeah. So we can write, it's very easy. You have to just write dy is equal to n is 3 over here. So 3 into x raised to 3 minus 1 into dx. Or you can write dy will be equal to 3x square into dx. Or you can write the value of dy by dx will be equal to 3x square. Right? You can take another example. Let's say y is equal to x raised to 4. What's the value of dy by dx?
Sir, 4x cube.
4x cube. ठीक है. अभी आपको इसका टेक्निक समझ में आया? It is very easy. We can write dy by dx is equal to ये 4 को ऐसे दिस लिखना है और इसका पावर एक कम कर देना. तो x raised to 4 था, एक पावर कम करेगा तो x raised to 3 हो जाएगा. So we can write this answer will be equal to 4x raised to 3. Okay. I can take another example. Let's say y is equal to 1 by x. Find out the value of dy by dx. Y is equal to 1 by x. Find out the value of dy by dx.
Minus x raised to
Minus x raised to minus 2.
Yes, very good. Minus
Yes,
x raised to minus 2. So हमने already लिखा था, हमारा बेसिक इक्वेशन ऐसा था y is equal to x raised to n. तो ये जो x raised to n है उसका टर्म में लिखना है. ये तो 1 by x का टर्म में हो गया. तो we can write y is equal to x को हमने ऊपर लिख सकता है. तो this is going to be x raised to minus 1. So over here first we need to write it in this term. उसको डिनोमिनेटर में रखे नहीं करना है, इसको न्यूमरेटर में लेके आना है x को. तो x का वैल्यू हो गया x raised to minus 1. So over here the value of n is going to be minus 1. Now we can apply our general equation. Differentiation of y is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1, that is minus 1 into dx. So we can write dy will be equal to minus x raised to minus 2 into dx. Or you can write the value of dy by dx is equal to minus of x raised to minus 2. Or if you want, you can write on the denominator minus of 1 divided by x square. Any doubt? किसी को कुछ doubt है तो पूछना है, ठीक है? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Now you can write, let's say another question. You can write y is equal to, let's say, root of x. Find out the value of dy by dx. Y is equal to root
Sir,
x.
y is equals to x. So dy
Y
is
is
equal to x.
No. Root x. Root x means first you have to write root x is x raised to 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Sir, half x
Half.
minus 1
3
by
by
2.
2.
3
Yeah,
by
minus
2.
1 by 2. Not 3 by 2. Minus 1 by 2.
Half x minus 1 by 2.
Yeah, half x raised to 1 by minus 1 by 2. Yes. सब लोग करो, देखो क्या मिल रहा है आंसर.
Half x is raised to minus 1
So
by
can you solve this?
Yeah, minus 1 by 2. Yeah, yes, yes. So you can write y is equal to, first this root x can be written as x raised to 1 by 2. So over here, instead of n, what we are getting is 1 by 2. So we can write dy will be equal to 1 by 2 into x raised to 1 by 2 minus 1, n into x raised to n minus 1 into dx. So we can write this dy will be equal to x raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2 into or divided by 2. This 1 by 2 into x raised to minus 1 by 2 into dx. Or if you like to find out the value of dy by dx, we can write this 1 by 2 into x raised to minus 1 by 2. Got it? If you want, we can further modify it like this. ये जो minus 1 by 2 है, उसको denominator में लेके आ सकता है, that becomes plus 1 by 2 हो गया. And x raised to 1 by 2 means something but root of x. Or you can write this 1 by 2 root x. Is it clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah. If anyone is having any doubt, please ask. Okay? आपको कोई भी term समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो पूछना है. Now we can take another example. Let's say y is equal to x raised to 5 by 2. Find out the value of dy by dx. Y is equal to x raised to 5 by 2. Find out the value of dy by dx.
So 5 by 2 x
upon
raised to 3
by 2.
3 by 2.
3 by 2. Yes, very good, very good. So over here n का जगह पे 5 by 2 हो गया. So instead of n we can write 5 by 2. Other things are the same. So differentiation of y, we can write dy is equal to n into, n is 5 by 2 over here, x raised to n minus 1, 5 by 2 minus 1 into dx. So we can write the value of dy will be equal to 5 by 2 into x raised to 5 by 2 minus 1, which is 3 by 2 into dx. So you can write the value of dy by dx is equal to 5 by 2 into x raised to 3 by 2. Now you can go for another example. Let's say y is equal to x. Find out the value of dy by dx. If y is equal to x, find out the value of dy by dx.
1.
1 is
So
very good.
it should be 0. Y x upon 0.
No, x raised to 0 1 हो जाएगा ना बेटा.
Sir,
X
1.
raised to 1 is x raised to 1 is x. Anything raised to 0 is 1. Anything raised to 1 is that value only. So this can be written as x raised to 1. So n का value क्या हो गया? 1 हो गया. Now we can take n as 1 and try to find out the value of dy by dx.
Sir, done.
Yeah. So we can write differentiation of y is dy. Differentiation of x raised to n 1 is 1 into x raised to 1 minus 1 into dx. So we can write it as dy is equal to 1 into x raised to 1 minus 1, that is x raised to 0 into dx. And anything raised to 0 is nothing but 1. So this is will be equal to 1 into dx or dx. Or you can say that differentiation of y is dy, differentiation of x is dx.
So
So
dy
if
is
you
equal
like
to
to find
dx.
out the value of dy by dx is equal to 1, right? So this one is a way we'll find out the value of dy by dx in different calculations. Now we can take another example. Let's say it is given that y is equal to 10. Find out the value of dy by dx.
0.
0.
Yeah, 0. So over here you can observe that we don't have the term related to x raised to n. x का term है ही नहीं है. तो आप इसको ऐसा लिख सकता है y is equal to 10 into x raised to 0. Because anything raised to 0 is nothing but 1. तो 10 को 10 into 1 या 10 into x raised to 0 लिख सकता है. So we can write this dy will be equal to ये जो 10 है constant है उसको आप as it is लिख सकता है into x raised to 0 का differentiation 0 into x raised to 0 minus 1. तो हम लोग 0 से multiply कर रहा है तो definitely you'll get the answer as something but 0. So not only for 10, if y is equal to a constant, then always dy will be equal to 0. तो y is equal to constant, इसका मीनिंग है y का वैल्यू चेंज होने वाला नहीं है. So the value of dy represents change in value of y. So y constant है तो change in value of y will be equal to 0. y का वैल्यू अगर 10 है तो हमेशा 10 ही रहेगा, उसमें कोई changes नहीं रहेगा irrespective of whatever may be the value we are putting for x. That is the meaning of dy by dx is equal to 0. Yeah, dy is equal to 0 means y is not going to change. y is a constant.
सर अगर y कांस्टेंट रहेगा तो dy और dx इक्वल रहेगा ना?
No, dy is equal to 0. y पे change नहीं हो रहा है. If y is a constant, so change in value of y is 0. Right.
Okay, sir.
मतलब अगर क्वेश्चन में ऐसा दिया है y is equal to 10, तो आप x का वैल्यू 0 पुट कर दो तो भी y का वैल्यू 10 है. x का वैल्यू 1 आप ले लो तो भी y का वैल्यू 10 ही है. मतलब y में चेंज नहीं हो रहा है. So change in value of y will be equal to 0 always, irrespective of whatever may be the change or whatever the value you are putting for x. Because x का term है ही नहीं है इधर. y is a constant. Got it? So if y is a constant means y is not going to change. So dy by dx, yeah, dy is equal to 0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, अगर इसको कुछ mix जैसा भी आ सकता है, like assume that if it is given something like y is equal to 2x square plus 3x plus 10. And RM is to find out what about the value of dy by dx. Find
इसको
out
सॉल्व करके x और x का वैल्यू मिल सकता है
Normal.
ना? सॉल्व
पहले
करके नॉर्मली
सॉल्व करके नॉर्मली जो इक्वेशन जैसा ही कर रहा है. मतलब एक मतलब पहले हमने एक कर रहा था.
6x square plus 3.
4x
4x
plus
plus 3.
4x plus 3.
4x?
Yeah.
6 square plus 3.
So we can write the value of dy by dx is equal to
4x square.
ये जो 2 है वो कांस्टेंट है, उसको as it is लिखना है. Then we'll go for differentiation of x square. Differentiation of x square होगा 2x plus constant है 3 constant है उसको as it is लिख सकता है. ये हो गया x raised to 1. x raised to 1 का differentiation होगा 1 into x raised to 0 और which is equal to 1 plus 10 एक constant है उसका differentiation होगा 0. So we'll get the answer as nothing but 4x plus 3. समझ में आया? Any doubt?
So can you solve this again and explain?
Yeah. Suppose if you are having the term y is equal to, let's say आप एक एक term को करके देखो. y is equal to 2x square. ठीक है? Only मान लो y is equal to 2x square. And RM is to find out the value of dy by dx. तो क्या करेगा? जो भी कांस्टेंट का टर्म है, we can just keep it as it is. 2 को ऐसा ही रखा है. Now we can go for differentiation of x square. What is differentiation of x square? 2x. अभी ये 2 और ये 2 मल्टीप्लाई किया तो क्या मिलेगा आंसर? 4x मिलेगा.
4x.
Yes sir, 4x.
समझा? तो ये जो टर्म है इसका डिफरेंशिएशन हो गया 4x. Got it?
Okay,
Like that
sir.
we are having the next term which is 3x. तो 3 एक कांस्टेंट है तो आप 3 को
Yes, sir.
as it is
3 को
लिखो
बाहर
और x raised to 1 का डिफरेंशिएशन है 1
1
है ना, और dx हमने नीचे लिखा है तो इसका आंसर क्या मिलेगा? 3 मिलेगा.
3.
तो differentiation of this is 3x is 3 and differentiation of any constant is 0.
0. Yes.
Final
Sir.
answer is 4x plus 2. Okay,
Yes sir.
we'll take next question. Let's say y is equal to x raised to 5 plus 2x raised to 4 plus 4x raised to 3 plus 3x raised to 2 plus 2x plus 5.
Sir,
I don't know the value
5x
of
raised to 4 plus 8x raised to 3 plus 12x raised to 2 plus 6x plus 2.
Yeah.
5x, 4, 8x cube, 4x square, 6x.
तो आप इसको डायरेक्टली कर सकता है. आप कल इतना देखो जो 5x स्क्वायर है उसका डिफरेंशिएशन हो 5x x रेज टू 5 है उसका होगा 5x रेज टू 4 प्लस अभी क्या करना है ये 2 into 4 कर दो तो 2 into 4 क्या हो जाएगा 8 हो जाएगा और x का पावर है एक कम कर दो तो क्या हो जाएगा x रेज टू 3 हो जाएगा प्लस 4 into 3 look at the answer as 12 और x का पावर
सर
एक कम
8
कर
कैसे
दो.
आया?
Yeah. ये समझ में आया
4 into
4x
2.
raised to 4
नहीं सर.
ये समझ में आया.
No.
तो x raised to 4 था x raised to 5 था तो उधर
Yes,
हमने
sir.
इक्वेशन यूज कर रहा है n into n का जगह पे क्या 5 है
हाँ.
तो 5 into x raised to 5 minus 1 4 आ जाएगा
हाँ.
प्लस 2 कांस्टेंट है उसको हम लोग एज इट इज लिखना है into x raised to 4 x raised to 4 का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या आएगा 4 into x raised to 4 minus 1 3 ये समझ में आया.
Yes sir.
हाँ सर.
प्लस 4 एक कांस्टेंट है ये कांस्टेंट को मैंने एज इट इज लिखा है x raised to 3 क्या होता है 3x स्क्वायर होता है उसका डिफरेंशिएशन
Yes sir.
प्लस 3 कांस्टेंट है उसको एज इट इज लिखा है और x raised to 2 का डिफरेंशिएशन होता है 2x प्लस 2 एक कांस्टेंट है उसको एज इट इज लिखा है x raised to 1 का डिफरेंशिएशन होता है 1
1.
प्लस 5 एक कांस्टेंट है उसका डिफरेंशिएशन होता है 0 राइट.
Yes sir.
अभी हम लोग इसको रीअरेंज करके लिखो 5x raised to 4 प्लस अभी ये 2 और 4 मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा
8.
तो क्या मिलेगा 8x raised to 3 प्लस
120
नाउ दिस 4 and 3 एक साथ ऐड करो
12.
तो this we can take it as
12x
12x square plus 3 into 2 we can take it as 6x plus 2
X
we can
plus
just
2.
write as 2 correct. So
Yes,
this will
sir,
be the
understood.
final answer. इसको वापस ऐड नहीं कर सकता बिकॉज सबका x का पावर का टर्म अलग अलग.
Yes
तो हम
sir.
लोग ऐसा करने का जरूरत नहीं है वी कैन डायरेक्टली राइट दिस आंसर. उसके लिए क्या करना है इधर मान लो 1 का एक टर्म है तो 1 into 5 क्या आएगा 5 और x का पावर एक कम कर दो तो 5x raised to 4 समझा.
Yes sir.
तो आपको अगर डायरेक्टली इसका x raised to 5 प्लस 2x raised to 4 प्लस 4x raised to 3 प्लस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 5 का आंसर डायरेक्टली लिखना है तो आप क्या करना है इधर कुछ टर्म नहीं है तो 1 मान लो तो 1 into 5 मल्टीप्लाई कर दो तो क्या मिलेगा 5 और इसका पावर है x raised to 5 था एक पावर कम कर दो तो क्या आएगा x raised to 4 आ जाएगा
Yes sir.
प्लस ये 2 और 4 को मल्टीप्लाई कर दो तो क्या आएगा 8 हो जाएगा और इसका पावर एक कम कर दो तो x raised to 3 हो गया. या
फिर 12 raised
ऐसा
to 2
4 into yes 12 raised to x raised to 2 plus 6x
6
raised to
x raised to
1
6x plus
plus 2 into
2
x raised to 1 that is 2 ना 5 का 5 कांस्टेंट है उसका 0
yes sir 0
अब डायरेक्टली लिख सकता है समझा
yes sir
पर इसको आगे भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं ना
क्या बेटा
नहीं नहीं
सर इसको आगे भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं ना
हाँ हमने dy by dx का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना था तो वो मिल गया अगर आप एक और बार करेगा तो उसको बोलते हैं कि d स्क्वायर y by dx स्क्वायर उसको बोलते हैं कि डबल डिफरेंशिएशन हमने 2 बार डिफरेंशिएशन कर रहा है मतलब अगर आप इसको एक और बार करेगा उसको लिखता है d स्क्वायर y by dx स्क्वायर ठीक है अगर आप फिर से कर रहे हैं तो क्या हो जाएगा 4 into 5 into 4 वो हो जाएगा
20x
x raised to 3
20x cube
प्लस बोलो
plus 8 3 are 24
24
24x square
स्क्वायर प्लस
24x
24x plus
24x
6
plus 6
हाँ प्लस
बस
0
plus 0
समझा उसको हम डबल डिफरेंशिएशन बोलता है तो वो कब किधर करना है दैट विल डिस्कस अभी आप ओनली dy by dx का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करो नो नीड टू गो फॉर d square y by dx square
yes sir
okay so we can take one more example just write down one question y is equal to 2x raised to minus 5 plus 3x raised to 2 minus 5x raised to 1 plus 4x raised to minus 6 plus 2x plus 10. Find out the value of dy by dx.
minus 10 x raised to minus
10
6
x raised to minus
plus
6
6x
plus 6
minus
Hmm.
5 minus 5 plus minus 24 x raised to minus 7
Hmm.
plus 2
Hmm.
okay done.
Yeah. So I think you understood how we are doing this
Yes,
algebraic functions, right? It's very easy.
So
You just multiply these two things and उसका पारे कम कर देना. So 2 into minus 5 will get minus 10
minus 10
or
raised to
x
minus
raised to
6
minus 6 minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6 plus ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो आ जाएगा 6
3 to the
X
6
raised-
6 raised to x
तो
x raised to
5 प्लस
plus 5
ये हो
plus
जाएगा minus
24
24
x raised to minus
to
7
minus 7
plus
प्लस
2
इधर x
plus
raised to
0
1 है तो 2 plus 10 का 0.
0
So I think it's clear to all, right? Any doubt?
yes sir no sir
No sir, no doubt.
Oh, sir.
Okay. Now we'll go for the next type of questions. इसमें क्या है कि सारे question में x raised to n का form में दिया था. Now in some question they will give it as product of two functions. Then how we'll do it? So I'll discuss it under the heading product rule. So around the heading product rule for differentiation. So product rule for differentiation में कैसे रहता है कि it is something like as an example I'm just writing a question 2x plus 3 into x square plus 1 and our aim is to find out what about the value of dy by dx. तो एक function नहीं है दो function दिया है ठीक है 2x plus 3 is a function x square plus 1 is another function and our aim is to find out the value of this dy by dx. So we'll represent it like this. If y is equal to u into v, where u and v are two different functions, then हम लोग product rule use करके उसका answer find out करना पड़ेगा. तो product rule है और differentiation में product rule हम ऐसे use करता है dy by dx is equal to we can write differentiation of this y is equal to product rule है first function उसको as it is लिखना है into differentiation of second function plus second function into differentiation of first function. That will give the value of differentiation of this u into v. First function into differentiation of second plus second function into differentiation of first. Okay. Or if you like to find out the value of dy by dx, then we'll write dy by dx is equal to first function into differentiation of second function with respect to x plus second function into differentiation of first function with respect to x. Okay, so just write down this formula. अभी इसको use कैसे करना है that we'll discuss. ठीक है?
yes sir done
So just write down this equation. If y is equal to u into v, then dy, differentiation of y is equal to u into differentiation of v plus v into differentiation of u. Or dy by dx is u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. लिख दिया?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'll take some example for it. Let's say, yeah, पहले हमने जो question लिखा उसको ही करते हैं. तो y is equal to, can write it like a question. Y is equal to 2x plus 3 into x square plus 1. Find out the value of dy by dx. Calculate the value of dy by dx. So dy by dx के लिए equation था. We can just imagine that this is our first function u and this is our second function v. So first function can be, now the product rule can be written as first function into differentiation of second function plus second function into differentiation of first function, right?
Yes, sir.
So we can write first function, first function को as it is लिखना है, तो ये हो गया 2x plus 3 into second function को differentiation करके multiply करना है, तो x square plus 1 का differentiation, what is that?
2x.
2x 1 का 0 हो गया plus second function which is x square plus 1 into differentiation of first function. Differentiation of 2x is
2
2.
3 का
0
3 का 0 हो जाएगा.
got it? तो a हो गया basically r u and a हो गया dv by dx and this is nothing but rv second function and this is du by dx. Now we can simplify it. If we are multiplying this 2x over here,
plus
what we are
6x
going to get
plus
4x
4x
square plus 6x plus 2x square plus 2. So we can write 4x square plus 2x
डिनोमिनेटर का
square.
dx कहाँ गया?
That is
6x
dy by
बाद में
dx
करेंगे.
लिख रहा है ना बेटा.
6x plus 2.
Okay, okay, differentiation. Yes.
dy by dx कर रहा है ना, not dy कर. तो 6x square plus 6x plus 2.
Plus 2. Yes, sir.
Got it? Put on this one. किसी कुछ डाउट है तो पूछ लो, ठीक है?
और आप वापस एक्सप्लेन करोगे?
Yeah, definitely. So whenever it is product of two function, we must use product rule. It is not just differentiation of one into differentiation of second one. Okay. So in a question, if it is given that a product of two functions, like the question we took it as it is 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3 into x square plus 1. So in this situation, over here we are having two functions. 2x plus 3 is a function, x square plus 1 is another function. So it is not just differentiation of this into differentiation of this. We should go for product rule. The product rule में ऐसा है, if y is equal to u into v, so product rule states that differentiation of y will be equal to first function into differentiation of second function plus second function into differentiation of first one. Or if you like to find out dy by dx, we will differentiate it with respect to x. मतलब dx divided by dx करेगा. So over here, we can write according to this question, our first function, which is u. U is nothing but 2x plus 3. उसको आप as it is लिखना है. Then second term हो गया dv by dx. dv by dx means differentiation of second function. This we are taking it as nothing but v. So differentiation of second function with respect to x. तो x square का differentiation होगा 2x and 1 का differentiation होगा 0. So it will be 2x plus second function which is v, that you can write as it is x square plus 1 into differentiation of 2x. Differentiation of 2x we can take it as 2, right? ये समझ में आया? Any doubt? Now we can multiply it 2x into 2, that we are going to get 4x square plus 3 into 2x, which is 6x, plus x square into 2, that is 2x square, plus 2 into 1, that is 2. Now we can write 4x square plus 2x square, which is 6x square, plus 6x plus 2, right? समझ में आया? Any doubt?
सर ये जो हमने फाइंड किया वो dy है ना बस?
No, no, dy by dx
डिफरेंशिएशन
है.
ऑफ सर
No,
अपॉन
dy
dx
by-
dx नहीं आएगा?
dx तो उसमें दिखेगा नहीं है ना, वो आएगा मतलब अभी भी देखो मैंने वो भी लिखता हूँ तो आपको कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगा. y is equal to 2x plus 3, ठीक है, into x square plus 1, ठीक है. तो अगर हमने जस्ट dy कर रहा है तो डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ 2x, डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ 2x क्या होता है?
डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ
2x
2x का x हाँ बस x रहेगा.
2
2
2
बस
into
हाँ.
2 into dx रहेगा,
2 into dx.
है ना,
यस सर.
प्लस तो अगर हमने प्रोडक्ट रूल यूज करें तो फर्स्ट फंक्शन यू कैन राइट एज 2x plus 3 into differentiation of x square. What is differentiation of x square?
2x
2x dx.
2x
plus
2x dx
0 2x
Hmm?
plus 0.
Plus second function is x square plus 1 into differentiation of 2x, which is 2 dx. अभी हमने क्या किया, ये जो dx है उसको कॉमन लिया, कॉमन लेके नीचे लिखा ताकि इसलिए वो नहीं दिख रहा है. 2x plus 3 into 2x plus x square plus 1 into 2, समझा? ये dx को हम लोग
ओके सर.
नीचे लिखा है, इसलिए वो dy by dx में वो dx ऊपर नहीं दिखता है.
ओके सर.
Okay?
क्या?
We'll take some more examples for a better understanding.
हमने एक मिनट
Next question लिखो. Y is equal to x cube plus 2x into x square plus 3x. Find out the value of dy by dx. Will I answer?
Just a second, sir.
Yeah.
Wait. Sir, 5x raised to 4 plus 12x cube plus x square plus 1x.
Okay. We'll check it.
Done. So
So over here, if you like to find out the value of dy by dx, we have to use that product rule. According to product rule, first function we can write as it is x cube plus 2x. First function into differentiation of second function. X square का differentiation होगा 2x plus 3x का differentiation होगा 3 plus second function, that is x square plus 3x into differentiation of first function, which is 3x square
plus 2.
plus 2. Yeah. Now we can just multiply this with, so x cube into 2x, that is going to be 2x raised to 4
2x
plus
4 plus
3x cube plus 4x, yeah, plus 6x. 4x square plus 6x plus we can
X
write
raised
as
to
it is
4
3x raised to 4
3x raised to 4
plus
2 raised
2x
to
square plus 9x raised to 3
x raised to 3
plus 6x.
6x.
अभी आप x raised to 4 का सब टर्म एक साथ ऐड कर दो, ये दो टर्म वो क्या हो
x
जाएगा
raised to
5x
5x
raised
raised
to
to
4
4
plus
plus
12x raised to 3
yeah ये 9 और 3 which is
12x raised to
12 is
3
3 plus
6x square
yeah
the
plus
6x
12x
square
6x square yeah 6x square
plus
plus
12x.
plus
12x.
12x.
Yes, that will be the final answer. Is it clear to everyone? Any doubt? Please
Yes,
ask.
sir.
No, sir.
Sir, understood.
Yeah. We can go for one more example. Let's say y is equal to x minus 1 into x square plus 1. Find out the value of dy by dx.
Sir, 3x square minus 2x plus 1.
Okay, I'll check it.
Yes, sir. 3x square minus x plus 1.
So here you can write the value of dy by dx is equal to first function we need to write as it is x minus 1 into differentiation of x square plus 1 which can be written as 2x
2x.
plus second function we can write x square plus 1 differentiation of x is 1 minus 1 is 0. Now we can rearrange this one. This is going to be 2x square minus 2x plus x square plus 1. So this will be equal to 3x square minus 2x plus 1. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So product rule समझ में आया? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir,
No, sir.
Okay. So we'll go for the next type of questions, which is related to one function divided by another function. So अभी हमने one function into another function कर रहा था. Now we'll go for one function divided by another function,
Quotient rule.
which is known as nothing but yeah, quotient rule. So you can write the heading quotient rule for differentiation. Quotient rule for differentiation. So in quotient rule for differentiation, we'll represent it like this: one function u divided by another function v. So if it is one function by another function, it is not just differentiation of one function by differentiation of another function. We should use this quotient rule. So quotient rule is dy is equal to, we'll write this denominator first, there is v into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator divided by denominator ka square. So this one is a way we'll find out the value differentiation of y. Or if you'd like to find out the value with respect to x, so dy by dx means we'll just divide it by dx. So dy by dx is equal to denominator into differentiation of numerator with respect to x minus numerator into differentiation of denominator with respect to x divided by denominator का square. So just write down this equation. अभी इसको use कैसे करना है that we'll discuss. Write down this one.
So when we will get to know that which we have to use, there will be mention कि use this rule or use that
नो
rule.
नो हम लोग को वो इक्वेशन देख के समझ में आएगा. अगर x plus 1 into 2x² plus 1 लिखा है तो आपको पता है कि one function
Product
into
rule.
another function आ रहा है तो प्रोडक्ट रूल यूज करना पड़ेगा. अगर one function by another function दिख रहा है तो डिवीजन रूल यूज करना है.
Okay.
और डिवीजन और प्रोडक्ट तो दिखता है ना, मतलब ऐसा
अच्छा, हाँ,
क्वेश्चन
हाँ,
देखे तो हम देख सकते हैं कि उस हिसाब से हम लोग यूज करना है. तो क्वेश्चन देख के समझ में आएगा. So we'll take some example related to this quotient rule. So you can write as an example, let's say y is equal to x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. And our aim is to find out the value of dy by dx. So remember, what is our equation? Equation is denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator divided by denominator का square. So over here, this can be
सर बट
written
ये
as
तो
u,
सिर्फ dy
this is
का
given as
फॉर्मूला है ना.
yeah dy by dx है तो du by dx करेगा बस. We'll write du by dx and here we'll write dv by dx. So over here you can write denominator. First you have to write denominator as it is. तो x minus 1 ऐसा ही लिखा है. ये क्या हो गया? v का वैल्यू हो गया. Into differentiation of numerator. तो x plus 1 का differentiation क्या मिलेगा?
1.
1.
1.
x का 1, 1 का 0 तो 1.
X
Minus
minus x minus 2 upon x square minus 2x
yeah
plus 1.
minus x plus 1. We can write the value of
Plus x
numerator
plus 1.
as it is. Now x minus 1 का differentiation क्या मिलेगा? 1.
Sir, can you repeat this step?
Yeah. First we have to write the value of denominator. ये v का वैल्यू है वो लिखना है. v में मतलब x minus 1 उसको as it is लिखा है. Into डिनोमिनेटर में जो टर्म है उसका डिफरेंशिएशन. डिनोमिनेटर में क्या था? x plus 1. x plus 1 का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या आएगा? 1. x का डिफरेंशिएशन 1, 1 का 0. माइनस न्यूमरेटर में जो टर्म है as it is you have to write x plus 1. That is u into differentiation of denominator. डिनोमिनेटर में x minus 1 था. x का डिफरेंशिएशन हो गया 1 और minus 1 का 0. Divided
Upon
by
x minus 1 the whole square.
whole square. Yeah. डिनोमिनेटर में जो टर्म है उसका होल स्क्वायर. अभी आप इसको एक्सपेंड करके लिख सकता है x minus 1 minus x plus 1. That is minus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 the whole square. So this x and this minus x get cancelled. You get the final answer as minus 2
-2 x
divided
square.
by x minus 1 the whole square. If you want to go denominator के जो टर्म है उसको भी एक्सपेंड कर सकता है. It depends आपको कौन सा टर्म में लिखना है.
Okay sir.
सर एग्जाम में अगर एक्सपेंड नहीं किए तो भी तो चलेगा ना.
It depends. एग्जाम
Option
में
के
कि हम
ऊपर
लोग जो या ऑप्शन के ऊपर ऑप्शन में कैसे दिया है उसके हिसाब से आप अरेंज करेगा.
Okay, sir.
Yes sir, understood.
या लिख दो. I will go for one more example. Let's say y is equal to x square plus 2x divided by x raised to 3 minus 1. Find out the value of dy by dx.
The answer is x upon 4 plus 9x cube minus 2x minus 2 upon x cube minus 1 the whole square.
Yeah. Indeed.
Yes.
Sir, the answer is x raised to 4 plus 4x cube minus 2x minus 2 upon x cube minus 1 the whole square.
Yeah, we'll check it. Our equation the first denominator को as it is लिखना है. तो we'll write x cube minus 1 as it is. V into differentiation of numerator. तो numerator x square plus 2x था. उसका differentiation होगा 2x plus 2 minus. We'll go for numerator. We can write numerator as it is, that is x square plus 2x into differentiation of denominator.
3x
Denominator का 3x square and minus 1 का 0 divided by denominator का square, that is x cube minus 1 the
x
whole
cube
square.
minus 1 the whole square.
Now we can expand this. तो क्या हो जाएगा? This will be equal to 2x raised to 4
2x raised to 4
minus
plus
2x
2
cube
yeah, x raised to 3 minus
2x.
2x
minus
Minus
2x
minus
minus
2.
2
Yeah.
minus
Minus
3x
Minus
of
3x raised to 4
minus
yeah,
3x
3x raised to 4 plus 5
plus
6
6x
6x raised to 3 divided by x cube minus 1 the whole square. Now we can just rearrange this one. 2x raised to 4 plus 2x raised to 3 minus 2x minus 2 minus 3x raised to 4 minus
minus
6x
6x raised to cube
3 divided by x raised to 3 minus 1 the whole square. Now we can go for this 2x raised to 4 minus 3x raised to 4 is minus x raised to 4 and minus 6 and plus 2 is going to be minus 4
Minus-
x raised to 3 minus 2x minus 2 the whole divided by x raised to 3 minus 1 the whole square. So this will be the final answer. Got it?
yes sir.
If you're having any doubt in any steps, please ask.
So we can expand the denominator, right?
Yeah. If you want, you can a plus b the whole square का term है आप expand कर सकते हैं. It depends option में कैसे दिया है. अगर expand करके दिया तो आप expand करके लिख दो. In general, normal a format में देता है. ठीक है?
Yes sir.
Yeah. You can take one more example. Let's say y is equal to 1 plus x raised to minus 2 divided by 1 minus x square. Find out the value of dy by dx. Will answer? So over
1
here you
plus
can write
x square plus 2x raised to minus 6 plus 2x upon 1 minus 2x square plus x raised to 4.
okay. So you can check it. Like denominator, we need to write as it is x minus 1 the whole square into, this is v into differentiation of numerator. 1 का differentiation होगा 0, x का differentiation होगा 1, and this is minus 2 x raised to minus 3 minus numerator that we can write as it is 1 plus x raised to minus 2 into differentiation of denominator. 1 का differentiation होगा 0, and this is minus 2x minus 2x. The whole divided by 1 minus x square the whole square. Any doubt regarding this step?
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
Now
sir.
we can just multiply this. So 1 minus 2x raised to minus 3. Now minus x square plus 2x raised to minus 1 minus, now we can multiply this term, minus 2x minus 2x square minus 2x raised to minus 1. The whole divided by 1 minus x square the whole square. So we can write this as 1 minus 2x raised to minus 3 minus x square plus 2x raised to minus 1 minus and minus becomes plus 2x square and plus 2x raised to minus 1. Whole divided by 1 minus x square the whole square. Now you can write the terms like minus 2x raised to minus 3. So this term we are writing. Now we can just observe the terms related to x square. So minus x square and plus 2x square, that is plus x square. This two terms. Then we can go for the term of x raised to minus 1. So this is 2 plus 2x raised to minus 1, that is 4x raised to minus 1. Now we can go for the term of x, that is 2x. Then we can go for this constant plus 1. The whole divided by 1 minus x square the whole square. Got it? Is it clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So just revise this topic, how to find out the differentiation of an algebraic functions by using that equation, then product rule and quotient rule. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.
Thank you.